nangyari sa 2019, sunod-sunod, 7.2.
Wala na talaga. Wala.
Luma naman ko dyan.
I just want to tell you that it's been a very pleasant surprise because I came here without any expectations, but my school visits have shown pinagmalaki po ni RD Alan at ng mga superintendents ninyo na Titos and the schools that we visited are some of the most high-performing here in Mindanao and in the whole country. So, ayun po, may ginagawa ko kayo na baka dahil nag-training kayo tulad ng ganito yung training sa Criswell. Kaya matataas ang math scores ng ating mga estudyante.